The real way to widen underarms and inner thighs. Moving this. Ethel here. Join me guys up until the end. And let's all find out. Let's go. Tired of hiding your underarms or feeling embarrassed about dark inner thighs? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing the real, tested, and natural ways to whiten those areas without spending a fortune or using harsh chemicals. Let's glow with confidence. Number one, what causes dark underarms and inner thighs? These are the common causes of dark underarms and inner thighs. 1. Shaving. 2. Friction. 3. Hormonal imbalance. 4. Harsh deodorants. 5. Dead skin buildup. Moving on, number 2, natural remedies that work. What are these? Let's all find out. The top 5 natural remedies that actually work. 1. Aloe vera gel. Soothing and lightening. Number 2, potato slices or juice. Mild bleaching agent. Number 3, baking soda and water scrub. Natural exfoliator. Number 4, lemon and honey mask. Brightens and nourishes. Number 5, coconut oil plus vitamin E. Deep moisturization. guys. Number 3, daily habits that help. Let's all find out, guys. What are these habits? These are the 5 daily habits that you're going to do if you have dark underarms and inner thighs. Number 1, avoid tight clothing. Number 2, use gentle, fragrance-free soaps. Number 3, stay hydrated. Number 4, moisturize daily. And the last, the number 5, exfoliate 2 times a week. Remember, beautiful skin takes patience and care. Skip the chemicals, go natural, and be consistent if this helped you. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's glow together!
When the road is rough and the nights are long, when you feel too weak to carry on, just take a breath and lift your eyes. There's a light beyond the cloudy skies. Keep going for life, don't give up the fight. Every heart.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethelallera here is signing off.